Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to apply transitions between clips in Edits or the Instagram Edits app. Now just go ahead and open up the app itself. Now once you're in here, either you work on a draft or create a new project. Okay. Now for this example, I'm just going to use this draft. Okay. And as you can see here, we have a ton of photos and videos right here. Now as you can see here, as you might have noticed, we have this icon, which is a yellow, then /. That means that it has a transition. These lines right here that have a white background, that means that it doesn't have a transition. Okay. Now, for example, I'm going to add in a transition right here. Okay. I'm just going to tap on it, tap on the line. And as you can see here, we have a ton of options. Okay. And for example, I'm going to use the flare. Okay. You should see the preview right here. Now, maybe I'll use circle out. Forgive my phone as it's pretty old. Okay. Now, once you're happy with it, just tap on the check mark. Tap on it. And as you can see, we just added a transition. I'm going to add in some more. Like maybe this one right here. I'm going to tap on the check mark. Now, when we hit on play, or just scroll through the video right here slowly. Transition. As you can see, another transition right here. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.